Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks on your REDMI Buds 6 Lite. So let's get started with open the application, and I recommend to install this application to enable a lot of features here. So the first top trick, you have ANC, so I guess it's a cool one. I use it all the time. Yeah, I should put it to my ear to show it you that we can make it. So you can enable it in the application here, and it's a cool one. Next one, you have also transparency mode. So if you want to speak with someone, you don't need to turn off your earbuds, just enable transparency mode. You can do it by gesture. Right here, we have a lot of gesture. You can also enable ANC with this gesture, so I guess it's a good one. You can also turn off all of these modes. It's up to you. Next one, these headphones have bass boost, so we can enable it also in the application. It calls enhanced bass. That's it. It's a cool one. I use it all the time. Next one, that we can, sorry, not this one. We can find the earphones, so if you lose it, you just turn on the application and you can play a song on the left or right earbud or on the both of the earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!